Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a project share. And I also wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for the love on my previous video. You guys are freaking amazing and just literally made our day with all your comments. My wife is like constantly asking, what did they say? Did they say anything else? How many likes? How many views? She's like super excited. She swears she's a YouTube star. She's just through the moon with that video. She was super nervous, but I think she did a really good job. It was so funny to watch back. I think I must have watched the video over 10 times, you guys. That's how funny that was for me. But what I wanted to tell you guys is that I'm thinking a lot of you guys are asking to showcase my wife a little bit more. So I was thinking that we should do something called WIFEY Wednesdays, and she can appear on Wednesdays. Will be my Wednesday video, and I don't know, do a pocket letter with you guys and talk to you guys and make you guys laugh, because she's got a huge personality. You guys will see that as you talk to her more. But I was thinking that maybe like on Wednesdays she can do pocket letters, flip books, or just create a project with you guys that I've created in the past and she can try to recreate. What do you guys think? If you guys like that idea, I'm gonna need you to get this video to 100 likes. That way that I know that you guys really like that idea and want to see my wife on Wednesdays. So let me get 100 thumbs up. I think that I can do that. I don't think that it's unachievable. Let's get 100 thumbs up on this video so that we can start off next Wednesday, because this Wednesday is Valentine's Day. So next Wednesday we can start off WIFEY Wednesday series, and you guys are gonna have so much fun with her because she is a total trip. She really is. But on to today's video. It's going to be a project share, and before I start getting into it, I want to make sure that the projects are being focused on so you guys can see everything really good. Okay, you guys, these are so beautiful, by the way. I have been staring at them since I created them, and I intended to do a tutorial, but you guys, it's been a busy week. I couldn't do the tutorial, I couldn't film it, so I just had these already made, and I was gonna make a fourth one with you guys, but I'm just gonna make it a project share. These are oversized library pockets, and the collection that I'm using is the Crepe Paper Kiss Kiss. It's very light and feminine and girly, and I love it, you guys. I love it so much. This is what the pockets look like in the front. I will take one apart so that you guys can see what I have inside, because they both do have the same thing. And this is the back of the pockets. I did put the Handmade by Lily. But you guys, how cute are these? Something simple that you can send to a pen pal. You don't have to over embellish. You could send some goodies on the side, but it's just so cute. I love this idea so much. And yeah, let me show you guys which one should we should open this one. Okay, so what I did for all of them, they all have the same thing. I did make like these little sticks. Can you see that? They have like little page flags and then a little bow. So I made one of these for both, all three of them actually. They all have tags and a doily. So they have a doily, and then they have 3 tags. You guys see that? So there's 3 tags. There's also a goodie inside. So this one has like a little ephemera pack. Some have stamps, stickers, just different things. They both have 2 little gold seal stickers. They also have project life cards. They also have 2 of these stickers. They have some sheets of this paper pad, like a notepad. And they both have also a, what do you call these? Like a note card with cupcakes on it. And then kind of like a card like this. I don't know if this is like a project life card, but like a cut apart maybe. So they both have that. And then they have a little gold clip right here. And this is what it looks like without anything. It's just like a little pocket. And you guys, so fun. So you put your card, and then you have your little note card. I like to make everything look kind of like layered. And then your little notes, your little stickers, your project life, and your little gold seals, your little goodie, and then you put in your tags. I like to put them in like this, so you can kind of see all three. And then lastly, you stick your little doily right in the front. Let me move the clip because I think the clip will rip the doily. There you go. Then you put your clip back right there, and then your little flag, you can put it right on top. But yeah, you guys, how cute are these? Since I didn't do a tutorial, I will have the measurement of the base and the pocket down below. Super easy. It's like a regular pocket. You round your corners, but I will have the measurement so you guys know what size these are. You can use any collection and make it super fun. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day with your loved one, your kids, your hubby, your mom, your dad. Valentine's Day is for everyone, not just your partner, but for your kids and your siblings and your parents. It's for everyone. It's just a day of love and appreciation. Even though I love and appreciate my little family all year long, that day is just, I just love Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to all you lovely subbies of mine. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up. Please thumbs up if you want Wifey Wednesdays, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.